What do you like about that haircut?
It has like texture.
Texture?
Yeah. Mine's like flat and boring.
It looks like you haven't got a haircut for a while, yeah?
Yeah, it's been like almost a year.
1 year?
Yeah.
Do you surf?
All the time.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's not another.
Maybe like the front. See how it's like styled?
Uh-huh.
Mine's like kind of like flat. I want to be able to like try to style it better.
Do you usually use any product styling? No,
No.
nothing.
Surf.
Just a salt water.
Salt water, yeah.
Okay, let me see. I think like if we move to like little bit like middle-ish, it already bring the little bit of volume. Right now your hair is like very heavy and there's no layer. That's why it's
Yeah.
more flat. Can you see the back? So it's like very flat right here because
Yeah.
you haven't get a cut. So what I can do is I'm gonna bring out your natural volume. Let me see. Okay, your hairline is a little bit higher, so I'm gonna maybe this part like long as possible.
Okay.
It's gonna have more support, have more volume, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Do your thing.
Will do. You just came from the ocean?
No. Bed.
Bad. Okay. I really like the color in the end, but it's gonna be a little bit gone, yeah?
Yeah, it'll come back.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wash your hair first before we start.
Okay.
Okay, let's go wash your hair. What kind of shampoo and conditioner do you use?
I don't really condition at all.
You just use shampoo?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I should start conditioning?
Yes.
Okay.
Because your hair gets really light from the sun, right? And
Yeah.
it gets really dry. So if you don't use conditioner, it's gonna get really dry.
Okay.
So always use conditioner.
Yeah.
This is the leave-in conditioner. So conditioner, regular conditioner, you have to apply it and wash out in the shower, yeah?
Yeah.
But this one is like a lotion. So you just apply it after you shampoo.
You can just leave it in.
Yeah, you don't have to wash out. Interesting, yeah? This side gets super curly.
Yeah, it's
Your hair can be a little wavy, yeah?
yeah.
Like, yeah.
It's not completely boring.
Yeah, nice hair.
Thank you.
I
You
wanna
never
go
surf?
Yeah, not yet. I want to, but my other half said I gotta learn how to swimming first.
You don't know how to swim?
I don't.
Oh,
think
you gotta go learn.
I can survive probably maybe like 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, you won't be in the water for that long. You'll have your board.
Yeah. Wait, when did you surf first time?
When I was like 10.
Oh wow, you start early, huh?
Yeah, my dad forced me out there. I hated it.
He just throwing you in the water.
Yeah. I
That's
hated
what
surfing
everybody
at first.
said. Yeah. And when did you start liking it?
When my brother actually got good at surfing.
Uh huh.
So I was like, oh, he can't be better than me. So I had to I had like a fear of like big waves and sharks. I was just scared of everything.
Uh huh.
And then it kind of I kind of just stopped being scared.
Oh.
Yeah.
That is super cool. You overcome your fear, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Just like equipment and all that.
Oh yeah.
Boards are expensive.
It is, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you order your custom board?
I used to. Now I just get them out of the shops.
I see. Cut it maybe right around here. What you think, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, a little bit up. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, this is beautiful blonde.
Thank you. Give it a try.
I don't think your hair is boring. You just needed a haircut.
You just need a haircut.
Yeah. Like, look at these blonde pieces. It's not boring.
Thank you.
Yeah. When you come here, like there's like ladies sitting here to get these blonde pieces in their hair.
Oh, no way.
Expensive too.
Yeah. You just gotta go in the sun a lot. Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
So have you seen shark when you're surfing?
Yeah, I grew up in New Smyrna Beach. It's the shark bite capital of the world.
Uh-huh.
So I've ran into a bunch of sharks.
Oh man.
Never been bit though. Knock on wood.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like a year ago,
Uh-huh.
somebody's like leg got pretty messed up.
Yeah. It's much better.
For sure.
Study more about what kind of content I. Oh my god, this looks so nice.
Yeah, it already looks
It's
so
like
much better.
really like blended, yeah, right here.
Yeah.
This front piece like this, they call money piece.
Money piece?
For the girls, like they do like highlight and they make it this part like lighter.
Oh
They
yeah.
call the money piece.
Money piece.
They have a beautiful money piece.
Thank you.
So you can ask your girlfriend, what do you think about my money piece?
How you like my money piece? Yeah, the little piece is curly.
You see some more waves, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to give you more layers so you can enhance your natural wave more.
Awesome. You do Instagram reels, right?
Yeah, I do Instagrams too. I don't know, but TikTok is more authentic, yeah?
Yeah, I feel like it's a little more better.
Yeah, because Instagram you have to like make certain aesthetics.
Yeah.
But TikTok people love to see just like authentic content, so that's what I like about TikTok.
Yeah.
You don't have to like add like so much stuff to be to look certain way.
That is true.
Yeah.
You just post a bunch of videos.
Uh-huh. Yeah, looks good. Okay, I'm gonna wash your hair. Reminded me of puppies.
Puppies?
Yeah, when you like shake it.
Definitely gonna be going faster on the surfboard now.
Oh yeah.
100%.
So do you ever towel dry?
Every time.
Every time? So
Yeah.
when you towel dry, don't go like too crazy like that. You always like scrunch it.
Scrunch it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
When
I
you
go like
this,
I go like all out.
yeah.
Like-
No.
like
Yeah,
that.
no, because when you do this with the wet hair, you're gonna damage your cuticle and that makes your hair more dry and frizzy.
Oh yeah.
So always like squeeze the water out. If you wanna like enhance a little bit, you can use a little bit of moisturizer.
Moisturizer?
Yeah, it can kind of like giving you more flowy.
Yeah.
Pull back everything to the middle. You don't want to use anything too much on the top of your hair, just like tiny bit.
Like what do you mean?
Like if you use like moisturizer, mainly the side and the back.
Oh, put more volume?
Yeah, with the
Yeah.
leftover you use like tiny bit in the front.
Okay.
The top.
Thank you so much. Looks amazing.
Who is this guy?
Is this some magic cream?
It has like very light adding moisturizer.
Oh, like feeds the hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
And even it's getting longer, it's not gonna be like fluffy.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome. Try play with your hair.
Yeah.
Touch it, feel it.
Soft. This is the softest my hair's ever been.
Hey, look at this hair. You should take a picture of this hair.
So much?
It's so blonde too.
I didn't think you cut that much off.
I know, yeah.
That's a lot. 2 puppies.